Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a BMW 5 Series 520 diesel key. It could be 520i petrol or 530, you know, it could be different model. Yeah, in this video right, I will be showing you how to replace the key battery. This key battery is for the model year between 2006 to 2010. Okay, this is the tools we need to do the job. Yeah, obviously is the key itself, Stanley knife, and the flat tip screwdriver. Now we have everything. I can start showing you how to do it. Step 1, the newer key, right, you can pry open this cover here. The newer key, right, you can use the screwdriver to pry open this cover here for the battery. But this is obviously, right, this is an old key, so you can't do that. To replace the key the battery for the old key, the only way to do it is to use the knife, right, to cut it open. So you go around, you know, you just go around the key like that. You go around like that. Okay, you go around. It probably take about, you know, I say 5 minutes, you know, 5 to 10 minutes until you get a gap, you know, and then you can use the screwdriver to pry open. Yeah. Once open, right, you find a circuit board inside. Obviously, you know, and you can replace the battery VL2020, and then after you replace the battery, you either glue the cover back on, you know, obviously you need to glue the cover or casing or back on together, or you can buy a new casing online, for example eBay or Amazon, for around, I say maybe £10 or something. Obviously, right, in this video I'm not going to show you how to cut the battery open, because I think, right, you know, it is quite dangerous if you don't know how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching my channel. Thank you very much.